गाह जलती हुई, गाह बुझती हुई, शम्माए गम झिलमिलाती रही रात भर। फैज़ अहमद फैज़। Brilliant at times dying, but not quite. The flame of sorrow keeps flickering all night. This is a shade by Faiz Ahmad Faiz from his ghazal, which he wrote as a tribute to Makhdum Mohyuddin when the senior Shair passed away. Aapki Yaad Aati Rahi Raat Bhar is a famous ghazal by Makhdum, and Faiz also used the same misra in his Matla, making this ghazal a masterpiece, and both Faiz and Makhdum immortal. I am Swati Sani, an Urdu lover, author, and a poet, bringing to you gems from the world of Urdu literature. Khuda Hafiz.